This is the 4-1, 4-2. We're going to apply the triangle sum theorem and the exterior angling theorem. Number 3, you're going to find that measure of the exterior angle of angle ACD. Notice ACD are all the exterior angles in every single one of the problem. You don't believe me? Let's do A. Notice where angle ACD is. This is A. I'm going to mark it in red. A, C, D. Okay, this is the exterior angle. All right, let's see what the relationship here. X here, this is the interior, and the 31 here is also the interior. If you do not remember the exterior angle theorem, okay, it is defined as your interior plus your interior is going to be equal to your exterior. So now all you have to do is just plug it in. Your first interior angle was your x degrees. You're going to add that to your second exterior angle, which is going to be 31 degrees. And notice this is going to be equal to the exterior. The exterior is written here as 2x minus 8. Now you can solve. Try to get rid of the smallest variable first, so subtract x to both sides. Once you subtract x to both sides here, you get 31 is equal to 1x. So we can just write x minus 8. Now we can add 8 to both sides. Okay, you get here 39 is equal to x. So x here is equal to 39. However, you're not done. It asks for angle ACD. So angle ACD was equal to 2x minus 8. Make sure you plug it in. So 2 parentheses 39 degrees minus 8. That is what the angle is. So now you actually have to do that calculation. 2 times 39 minus 8. This is going to be 70 degrees. Okay, so that says that this entire angle is 70 degrees. Okay, make sure you just don't solve for x, but you actually get the measure of that angle. All right, let's look at B here. Notice A, C, D are all the exterior angles here. Okay, and the 38 here is an interior, and the B here is also the interior. We know the formula is interior plus interior is going to be equal to the exterior. Okay? The first interior is going to be 38 degrees. Then you're going to add this to the second interior, which is 7x plus 1. And this is going to be equal to your 10x plus 9. Okay, we can combine some like terms. The 38 plus 1 becomes 39. Bring down the 7x. So far on the left hand side, we have 7x plus 39 is equal to 10x plus 9. Move the smallest variable first, so minus 7 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you here with a 39 is equal to 3x plus 9. We want to get rid of the constant now, so move minus 9 to both sides, leaving you with a 30 is equal to 3x. You want to divide 3 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 1, so you have an x here. 30 divided by 3, which is just 10. So the final answer here is x is equal to 10. However, remember, we want the angle. So the angle of ACD was right here, 10x plus 9. Make sure you substitute that value in. 10 times 10 plus 9, this is 109 degrees. So ACD in this case is 109 degrees. Let's do C here. All right, the angle of ACD here is what we're trying to find, but we don't really know it. This is very interesting. What do we know? Well, we know that this is 90 degrees, and we know that this is entire triangle. So if we use the triangle sum, we know that all the angles, so x plus 90 plus, let me write down the equation before I plug in the numbers. I mean angle C plus angle B plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees, because those are all the angles that make up the triangle. Angle C is x, angle B is 90 degrees, angle A is 2x minus 21 equals to 180. Okay, we know that you can now combine some like terms. So x plus 2x is 3x. 90 minus 21 is 69 equals to 180 degrees. Now you want to subtract 69 to both sides, leaving you with a 3x is equal to 111. Divide by 3 to both sides, leaving you here with 37. You know that this is 37 degrees, okay? How does that help you? Well, if you take a look, this forms a line. We know that this piece was 37 degrees, so we want to know this piece that was left. We know that these two make a linear pair, so all you have to do is 180 minus 370 is equal to 143. So this piece here is 143. So this piece here is 143. So you can say that angle DCA is equal to 43 degrees. Okay? So there you go. We had to use the triangle sum theorem to find the missing values inside the triangle. Then we use a linear pair relationship to get the exterior angle of angle DCA.